We're going to unbox this package from the Signet store. This is the logo of the Signet store here in the Philippines, in Makati. And we have here warehouse company pants, Selvedge Denim, number 75, size 31, 36. This is an exclusive Denim Fade competition being sponsored by Signet store, and in order for you to join this competition, you have to buy a warehouse Selvedge Denim jeans from the Signet store, which is a product of collaboration of warehouse and company together with Signet store, and you have to use only one kind of Selvedge denim. And as stated in the leather tab, this competition will start on April 1, 2022, and it will end in March 31, 2023. And as you can see, I'm number 75. My waist is 31 and the inseam is 36. This competition is exclusively for only 100 participants. So you have an exclusive number of pants to be used for this competition from number 1 to number 100. Actually, you have only 100 participants for this fading competition, and I signified to join this competition as number 75. I think the fabric is 15 ounces, 14 to 15 ounces, and this is indigo, and we're going to inspect this denim. You have these rivets on the groin area. Actually, this is a reproduction of the 1944 World War II denim pants, the usual rivets, and then an exclusive buttons from warehouse. You have 4 buttons, and this one is size 31. This is 100% cotton. You have your Selvedge there, and then the roping done. My estimate is this fabric is 14 to 15 ounces per square yard. And you have this Arctic, nice one. It has hidden rivets on the back pocket. The other side, you have hidden rivets on the back pocket. So before the competition will start on April 1, I have to have a fit picture on these pants and submit it to the website where this competition is being posted, and then we will have a monthly update and submission of picture on the progress of the fading of this particular jeans. So this is an exclusive pants or denim jeans from Warehouse in collaboration with the Signet store. So I'll make a update video on this pair of denim jeans, Selvedge denim jeans, on a monthly updates, just to see the progress on how this Selvedge denim will fade. Thank you, and so far that is good for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.